Let's look at this fraction 3 over 9. If we divide the numerator and denominator both by 3, we get 1 over 3. So 1 over 3 is an equivalent fraction of 3 over 9, but it is in lower term. Now why did we divide by 3 and not by 2 or not by 4? Because 3 is a common factor of the numerator and denominator. So what we understand is that if we divide both numerator and denominator by a common factor, we get the fraction in its lower term. Now I have this another fraction 10 over 40. So I know that 2 is a common factor. So I can divide the numerator and denominator by 2 and get 5 over 20. Now can I further divide 5 and 20? Is there a common factor? Yes, 5 is a common factor, so I can divide both 5 and 20 by 5 and I can get 1 over 4. Can I again divide 1 over 4? No, because there is no common factor between 1 and 4 other than 1. 1 would be a common factor for all the numbers. So now since I cannot divide 1 over 4 further, or in the first example I cannot divide 1 over 3 further, I can say that these fractions are in its lowest terms. So what I understand is that the fraction is in lowest term when there are no more common factors left between its numerator and denominator. Now if I divide 10 over 40 rather than dividing first by 2 and then by 5, can I divide it directly by 10? Yes, I can. So if I directly divide by 10, I get 1 over 4, which is the lowest term. So what I understand here is that 10 is a common factor, but it is not only the common factor, it is also the highest common factor. That means HCF. So since I divided by HCF, I got the fraction in its lowest term. So what we learn here is the fraction is in its lowest term when you divide the numerator and denominator by their HCF. Now let's look at some of the examples. 1 over 50. Is there any common factor between 1 over 50, 1 and 50 other than 1? No. That means this fraction is in lowest term. Let's look at 5 over 17. 5 and 17 both are prime numbers, so there are no common factors, so this also is in lowest term. Now let's look at 25 over 45. There is a common factor 5 and 5 is the HCF, so you divide both 25 and 45 by 5, we get 5 over 9 and 5 over 9 is the lowest term. 18 over 72. Now there are a lot of common factors, like 2 is a common factor, 9 is a common factor because 18 and 72 both are divisible by 9, but we just don't want a common factor, we want HCF. HCF in this case is 18, so you divide numerator and denominator by 18, the answer is 1 over 4, which is a lowest term. Now 14 by 39. Now 14 is not a prime number, 39 is also not a prime number. So 14's factors are 2 and 7 because 7 2's are 14 and 13 3's are 39, so 13 and 3 are factors of 39, but there are no common factors. Even though both the numbers have factors, there are no common factors, so we can say that this fraction is in its lowest term.